Okay, student. See, we are learning. In this session is a man-made macromolecules, synthetic macromolecules, and see we have to see the chemical macromolecules. Macromolecules were produced in the first time in laboratory and factory with a interaction to invert an alternative for rubber and silk. See, alternative for rubber and silk. See, we have to see that today man-made molecules, see, macromolecules are in a use in the every we have to see the life. See, man-made fibers which have a strength along the length and similar to a natural fiber like cotton, wool, silk, and it is a elastomers which have the elastic property of rubber. See, it is a these man-made macromolecules is prepared and with the help of these natural polymers. See, natural fibers, cotton, wool, silk. See, it is a blended. See, it is a, these are a stretchable or elastic. See, plastic which numerable type of articles, sheets of pipes. Pipes is there. Next, surgical coating are made are all examples of man-made. It is a macromolecules. The structure of natural and man-made macromolecules are formed by the joining several small units in a regular manner. It is a joining this like small units. See, you already learned in it is a 8th standard. See, this like number of joining the units, ethylene units, and see regular manner. As a result, the macromolecules are polymeric in nature. See, we are calling the polymeric in nature this one. Next, we have to see the polymer. 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 What is the polymer? See, polymers is a macromolecules. Polymers is a macromolecules. Macromolecules. Next, we have to see the formed by regular repetition of small unit called polymers. See, it is a macromolecule is polymer is a macromolecules and it is a repetition of small unit. See, this like repetition of small unit. Ethylene repetition of unit. Next, we have to see the these polymers is a the small unit that regulate repeats and regular to form a polymer is called monomer. See, this is a monomer is this. See, this is a monomer. See, we are calling the this for is a monomer. And this for is calling the polymer. Polymer. Okay. Next, we have to see the here the reaction by which monomer molecules are converted into polymer is called polymerization. See, converted into this monomer, converted into polymer into we are calling the polymerization. See, the reaction which monomer molecules are converted into polymer is called polymerization. See, this like converting. Okay, polymerization. Next, we are calling the an important method to polymerization is to make the polymer by joining the, see, alkene type of monomer. See this like alkene type. See this like joining together. Next we have to see the synthesis of polyethylene is known as further. See this one is a ethylene. See number of ethylene groups is a joining. Number of polyethylene. See that's why we are calling this one is a polyethylene. Polyethylene groups is a joining together. Okay. See this is a polyethylene. Okay, this like polyethylene number of groups is a joining. See here. This like number of monomers is a joining together. Okay. Number of ethylene groups. Here is a forming. What is this one? Ethylene monomer. This one is a ethylene monomer. Ethylene monomer. And here ethylene monomers is a joining together. Polymerization. See this process is a polymerization. Now we have to see this like number of, see this is a joining together. See this like. See number of joining together. See these are a linkage. Okay. See this like number of linkage. N. See number of is a linkage. This one is a, we are calling the polyethylene. See which one? Polyethylene. Polyethylene. Okay. Next we have to see the synthesis of polyethylene. Next we have to see the number of synthesis of polyethylene. We have to learn name of the polymer and constituent monomer and structural formula of the polymer and uses. See we have to learn one by one. Okay student, see here, see this one, name of the polymer, constituent monomer and structural formula of the polymer and their uses. See here, first one is a ethylene, polyethylene. See this polyethylene, we are calling this one is a monomer, ethylene. See this one is a ethylene. Okay, see this one CH, it is a structural formula of the polymer and it is a using for carry bags, sport wears. Carry bags and sport wears. Next we have to see the polystyrene. Polystyrene. What is it? It is a styrene group. See this is a phenyl group. See it is a ethylene group. See we are calling this one is a styrenes. Styrene groups is there. This is a phenyl group. So it is a C2H5. Means it is a benzene structure is there and it is a using for thermocol articles. Which one? Thermocol articles. Next we have to see the PVC pipes. See polyvinyl chloride. See what are we calling? Polyvinyl chloride. See, we are using this is a PVC pipes. And this PVC pipes, see, this one is a vinyl group. Which group is there? Vinyl chloride. See, this one for calling the vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Okay. See, this is the structure, and this is a using for the PVC pipes, doormats, tubes, bags in the hospital kits. Hospital kits for it is a using the PVC. Polyacrylonitrile. Polyacrylonitrile. See, acrylonitrile. See, this one is a group is a acrylonitrile group. Acrylonitrile, and here forming this is a structure, and it is a using for winter clothing, blankets for it is a using the polyacrylonitrile. Next, Teflon. See, CF2 double CF2. See, this is a structure, and see, it is a non-stick cookware. Next, we have to see the polypropylene. See, this one, the structure CH3 CH double bond CH2. See, this one is a their structure, and we have to see it is a using the injections. Next, syringe, and it is a furniture for it is a using which one? Polypropylene. Okay. See, these all are you learn in 8th standard only. So it is a totally is there. Once you have to refer the 8th standard book also. Okay, student, here natural polymers. These natural polymers, see, these are a polymers, name of the monomer and occurrence. Where is occurring? For example, see here, these are a polysaccharides. Polysaccharides is a glucose, and see, it is a starch. Where is occurring this one? Polysaccharide in starch. Okay, polysaccharide occurs in starch. The name of the monomer is a glucose. Next, we have to see the cellulose. Cellulose is a type of glucose. Okay, cellulose also a type of glucose, and here is a present in the wood cell wall of the tree. Plant tree, cell wall of plant cells. Next, we have to proteins. This one is a protein is there, alpha amino acids. See, you have to learn. See, you will be learn this one in 11th standard. So it is a chapter is there. See, totally. Next, proteins. This is a amino acids. Where is the present this one? Muscles, hair, enzymes, skin, egg. See, these are a present this one proteins. Next, we have to see the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids. See, this one is a nucleotide. See, nucleotide. Deoxyribose phosphate. Next, here, this is a present in the chromosomes of organisms. Where is the present? Chromosomes of organisms. RNA. See, this is also nucleotide. Ribose phosphate. See, this one is a ribose phosphate, and here is a present in the nucleus and cytoplasm of the cell. Next, we have to go to the rubber. See, this one is a rubber. See, where is present this one? Isoprene. See, this one CH2 and double bond CH3 C, and here is a present the CH2. See, this is a isoprene. Next, this is a where is the occurrence this rubber? Latex of rubber. latex of the rubber tree. See, this is about the totally our lesson. Our lesson is a completed.